Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. Buitenbeentje, but I'm back with a new video, and actually it's a new series, and it is basically I'm going to make a mood board for every season. So my first season is fall, and this mood board is called Another Way to Look at Fall. And the whole concept is that I'm going to take a maximum of 6 pieces that I'm going to be making throughout that season. There is a color theme, there is my fashion inspiration, where I get the patterns from and where I get the fabrics from. So in the screen you're seeing right now is my other way to look at fall mood board, and you can see I chose 3 dresses, 2 skirts, and a jumper, well, a sweater. And my fashion inspiration of this season is Mimi G. Actually, she is my fashion inspiration hands down. And let's see, so I mentioned my fashion inspiration. Now the patterns that I used are out of the knit mode, night trends, and name clothing. These are the 3 pattern, let's say, company that I'm going to use. The knit mode you guys are familiar with. We have the night trends, that is a fashion magazine. I think it comes out every 2 months or every other month. In any case, the information is going to be linked below. I am not a member, however I do buy it whenever I see it in the store. And the last one is a name clothing. Actually, I found this company because I was specifically looking for sweaters that I want, sweater inspiration on Pinterest, and I found this sweater that I really liked, and the name is, it is Magana Fringe Jumper. So I don't really know anything about name clothing, to be honest, and I'll figure it out once I buy the pattern. I'm going to figure out if it is something that is easy to follow and stuff like that. And you're definitely going to get from each piece a what have I been making video, and those are going to be coming out throughout this season. My color theme is, let's see, I have black, blue, mustard yellow, I got off-white, ecru, burgundy, houndstooth, and flowers, gray and flowers. That's what I am going to be using. I do have my mood board is already live on my Facebook page, and my fabric is from the the fabric spectacle of 2018, which just started, and also from drizestoffen.nl. I have been purchasing my fabrics from there for quite a while now. I like the assortment of fabrics that they have. I like the prices, and they are pretty clear with their description of the fabrics. And that's it, you guys. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid, comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. And have a great day. Bye.